everyone, we are Group 10, and today we will present our project called ParentLoop, a school communication app designed especially for parents. Our team members are Rihanna Jane Para, Ariana Estrada, Riljan Bong Sumawal, Jaya Mayron Brina, Krisha J. Prago, and Mary Rose de los Reyes. Today, we work to create an application that makes school-to-parent communication easier, faster, and more reliable.
Project Overview. ParentLoop is a mobile designed to improve communication between schools and parents. It provides update on announcements, homework, and urgent alert in one place. Problem solved. Parents often miss important school information because updates are scattered or delayed. Target audience. Parents, teacher, and school administration who need a clear, centralized ways to communicate. Key features of our app. We have homework and activity reminders to keep parents updated on the child's schoolwork and events. Next, there's a class-specific digital bulletin board. The app the app provides organized space where parents can easily check announcements, schedules, and updates for each class. We also included verify teacher announcement system, which means that all updates come directly from trusted teachers. For urgent situations, we have push notifications so parent can easily get important updates. And finally, student profiles per parent to give parents personalized access to child's information. Now, what makes our app unique or valuable? ParentLoop brings all school communication into one app.
ADLC planning phase. First, user problem or need. So many parents miss schools announcements because schools use different apps to send updates. This often causes confusion and delays in receiving important information. The need, one app that provides all real-time updates from school. Second is goal or vision. The goal is to build a simple, reliable, and easy-to-use app that schools and parents can depend on for clear and timely communication. Also, it should be a school-verified platform, meaning that is all the information shared is accurate and official comes from the school. Third is market research. Most existing apps today combine school messages with personal or group chats, which often leads to noise, clutter, and unorganized information. Parents may overlook important announcements because they get buried under unrelated messages. By focusing only on school updates, this new app will give parents a more organized, direct, and stress-free way of staying informed. Next.
ADLC analysis please. Requirements. Teachers can post verified announcement. Parents can view updates specific to their child or class. Technical. Platform. Mobile app. Backend. Firebase for authentication. Database notification. Trees. Possible delays in verifying teachers. Risk of push notification spam is not management well. Limited rollout. The specific regions first. Next.
ADLC design phase. Our app is built around three UI principles: consistency, minimalism, and clear hierarchy. Every screen uses the same layout so parents don't get confused. We keep only the most important features visible to avoid clutter, and we use hierarchy so parents know what to focus on first. The user flow is straightforward. Parents log in, choose their child, and access the class board. From there, they can view announcement, homework, grades, and to-do lists. A notification system also alert them of urgent updates, like new assignment or school reminders. This design ensures the app is efficient, easy to navigate, and parents focus, making sure important information is always accessible without extra steps.
ADLC development phase. For our tech stacks, let's talk about the tools we use. For the front end, we use with Flutter. It is a cross-platform framework, which means we can build for both iOS and Android from a single database. Now, for the backend, we chose Firebase. It is a backend as a service from Google. It is a perfect match for Flutter because it provides everything we need right out of the box. Things like a real-time database, user authentication, and cloud function. Now, for our team role, our team is pretty straightforward. We had front-end and back-end developer. Me as a front-end developer was responsible for entire user interface and the app logic, while the back-end developer was in charge of the server-side stuff. They handle the database rules, ensuring our data is very secure. Now, for our development task, we have to set up the user authentication and a verification for t-shirt. Using Firebase authentication, we created a robust sign-up and a sign-in flow. Now, for the classroom data structure, this is was important task. We didn't just stop there. We also implemented a trust link mechanism, and this is very important to prevent spamming users with too many notifications at once. And now we're going to the ADCLC testing phase.
ADLC testing phase. First is manual testing to test the app like a parent or teacher would do to actually look for errors, and testing edge cases through sending too many notifications at once to see if the system can handle it. For tools, we use Firebase Emulator Suite to safely test features like push notifications and Postman for API testing. Lastly, for feedback plan, we will collect feedback from real users, then clarify issues so we can fix the problems first and keep improving the app.
ADLC deployment space. In a deployment space, the app will be officially launched on Google Play Store and Apple App Store to make it accessible to users. To ensure compliance, the app will follow data privacy regulation by collecting and storing only minimal personal information. Additionally, a verification system for teachers and school administration will be implemented to confirm their identify, ensuring the reliability to post the posted content. Next, please. EDLC maintenance space. For maintenance, we'll focus on three areas: bug fixing, monitoring, and updates. We'll regularly monitor the system to catch issues early and fix bugs so the app runs smoothly. For system updates, we'll make sure the app stays secure and performs well as new version of Android or iOS come out. For future updates, we'll keep gathering feedback from parents at school so we can improve features that matter most. We will also ensure that the app stay compatible with new devices. And we'll plan regular server maintenance and database backup to protect user data.
User roles and stakeholders. In this project, every member had a specific role to make the app successful. Team contribution. Led the planning, organized the team, gathered the needed requirements, and communicated with stakeholders. Designer. Created the design and flow of the app, making sure it's simple, appealing, and easy for users to navigate. Front-end developer worked on the visible part of the app that teachers and parents used, ensuring it matched the design and worked well with the back-end. Back-end developers, they handle the technical side, including databases, login, security, and notifications to keep the app safe and reliable. QA tester, she checked the app for errors, tested its features, and confirmed that everything was working before release. Stakeholders, the stakeholders were both internal, the project team, and external, school IT staff, teachers, and parents, who will benefit from the app. Lastly, team collaboration. For team collaboration, Messenger group chats were used for quick updates, while Google Meet and Messenger calls were used for meetings and discussions.
Challenges and learnings. Challenges. Handling notifications throttling. We have to ensure that announcements reach parents without exceeding system limits. Another is designing the app without chat or reply features, which means we have to think about how teachers and parents would still communicate effectively. Learnings. We have learned the importance of clear user flow and role-based access logic and fire-based so that teachers and parents only see relevant information.
Now, for our future enhancement, we plan we plan to add direct chat, reply options, school calendar integration, attendance tracking, payment gateways, multi-language support, and expansion to more schools. This will make Parent Loop even more useful and interactive. Now for our conclusion, Parent Loop centralizes school communication, making it simple, reliable, and verified. We believe this project can improve the way schools connect with parents and help families stay informed about their children's education. Thank you for listening. Now we are open for your questions.